right here somewhere. Kind of right on the line, just about. But I don't need to be that far away. That looks straight. I can't tell from this angle. That's good.
No, it doesn't look straight.
It doesn't matter. It's just the stake. That doesn't have to be straight. It just.
Hey.
It's just got to be solidly underground. Check my measures. 93/8 perfect. And this is how many? So 90 3/8 becomes 94 3/8. Let's put this there. So 4 inches, about right there. And do 90 3/8 again. Oh my goodness, that's way off. 90 3/8 is right here. 90 1/2.
Yeah, 90 1/2.
That's it.
What's
Right.
that?
I'm gonna go over a little further because that's where the board is supposed to go. Yeah, they're getting off. You want to do it?
I mean, I don't care. I just want it done.
Yeah, you can do it if you want to.
But yeah. Well, but yeah. What you take?
Uh-oh. Well, we can do those first. Since you got your concretus ready.
Get it set up.
Ready. Drill. What about all that?
Right here, Andy.
Screws? You got some screws?
Screws are laying right there, but you grab some more.
On the ground? The screws are on the ground right
I
here?
don't know.
It was just that one area.
Here, I'll leave it too.
Sorry.
Mama, grab me another one of them sticks. That ought to do it. Good boogie. It's good boogie. And
Looks like it's good. You ready?
hold on, I'm not.
I put the toe to the ground.
Get this attached first. Be ready. We'll be ready, boy. Yeah. Right where the blade is, this should be the side of your guy. That's
There we go.
You want to put that sleeve?
Yeah,
That sleeve
right
over. Oh yeah.
Let's see this one maybe.
Okay, so we're gonna have to make it where the sleeve will go
Right.
on the line.
That's why I left it back.
Roger.
I left it back, so.
Perfect. We can't. Oh, after the concrete, we can let the sleeve down. That's right.
We can't screw it. No, let the sleeve
Yeah.
down. Let the sleeve down.
Well, let's put the concrete in first. That way
Okay, we'll hold it.
put the sleeve
Fine then, Andy.
over the concrete. I'm hoping it'll get.
Well, I'm hoping too, Andy.
Hoping it'll get in between the sleeve and the.
It will.
I hope so. It will, Andy. I hope it will. That'll be
Let's go ooze
good. Ooh.
up in there.
Oh, it is.
I feel it. I made a little wetter this time.
All right, that's good right there, bro. You want to save the rest for the other one, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
That's cool. See if I can square this guy up a little bit.
Okay.
We're ready to lower the sleeve.
Okay, I got you. Yeah,
Oh, God.
I got it. Sorry.
Come on now, come on. Yep. Sleeve lowered.
Can you grab this?
Yes, sir.
All this.
Oh, man.
Hold up.
Strong. Bleep, bloop.
Hey, watch your hand.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, guess what?
That's
We
it.
need to add an extension
For what?
to get to the top.
What? Like
We
this?
need to extend now. Just another piece of board. Hey!
See that? That's how bones get broken.
There you go. Bone breaker.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh God. I drove it in with my hand.
Get down there.
Watch your hand. Oh my God.
I got it.
I was worried.
Don't worry.
Okay. Boom!
Get the plumb
Oh
stick.
God. I can't see your side.
Yeah, well.
Where the string is. I guess it
Pretty
doesn't
good.
matter.
Get off of it, quarter inch. You want to do this first?
No, this is fine.
You ready? Are you pushing to me?
There you go.
You ready?
No
You ready? Hell, you wasn't ready.
Well, she
That was off a
wiggles.
little bit.
She wiggles. Yes.
It's a wiggler.
That's a wiggle. Hold tight.
All right.
Oh, let me. I need to put my hand on. the
Yeah, put your
fucking
hand on
brakes.
something.
There we go. Right
Ready?
there.
That don't. That was a good one.
Another extension. There it is.
You got some screws in
Nope. Mama, we need some screws.
there?
Um,
Good.
Oh, they're in the back of the truck. Huh? Is that?
yeah, I can't get them out of the truck.
This needs to go back just a fucking smidge. And I'm off the line, so. Okay, hold this one. No! God, I thought my knife was gone. Lovely. I'll be down.
I'm a superstar.
Hey.
I'm going to. You can't put this online because of my insurance. Because of the I'm trying to get some money for my hand, and I don't need them seeing me. I mean, seriously, I just called a lawyer.
For realsies.
I mean, I'm dead ass.
All right, I'll have to get some without you in it then.
Yeah, for now. Sorry.